Gotta put that mirror back up too.
My uncle went to prison a while back, and he said, check your page, and I seen your location, but I think I had forgot because I found like we're repairing the cracks
Videos?
and shit.
Oh yeah. That's what happens, bro. That shit's listening.
So I got lucky because I was looking up a few, and they were mainly like windshield companies and shit. It wasn't like the rock chip.
Like they'll try to do everything, and like some of these things you have to say no.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because it's already too big, so it's not gonna work.
You gotta pick and choose your battles.
Right, if you can't tell. So, but most people don't want to do that.
You do fabrication?
I can. I don't.
You don't like it though?
I used to do all that stuff. That must have been a huge rock that hit you, or it's just like more of hitting. Definitely looks better. Looks good. Before I put this thing on, it's lighter, but you can still see it. But
Yeah.
it's definitely filled. Where was it? Right here.
Yeah. Right in the middle.